In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Spotify stop playing suggested songs. So the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is turn off autoplay. To do that, go to the top left and select on your profile picture just like so, and then press on settings and privacy. Then go ahead and select on playback. Scroll down and make sure that where it says autoplay, so right over here, make sure that that toggle is actually turned off, because autoplay automatically plays similar songs when your playlist or album ends. So disabling it stops suggesting songs from playing after your selected content finishes. Alright, the next thing you can do is you can disable Smart Shuffle. So Smart Shuffle mixes recommended tracks into your playlist during shuffle mode, even if it has 15 songs or more. So turning it off ensures only your playlist songs play. So to do that, you want to go to the actual playlist and select over here in this shuffle button right over here, and you just want to make sure that it is actually turned off, and you want to tap the shuffle icon until it turns gray. So if it's gray, that means that there's no shuffle. So again, just keep that in mind. And of course, you need to make sure you have enough songs on your playlist. So for free users, Spotify automatically adds suggested songs to playlists with fewer than 15 tracks to extend playback. So try to add more songs to your playlist if it's under 15 songs. So try to add more songs. And another thing that I recommend that you guys do is clear your queue. So suggested songs may play if they're accidentally added to your queue. So just check your queue and make sure that only the songs you want are actually there. But anyways guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.